Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a bomb of a video. I'm going to give you the prediction of Ethereum for 2024-2025 based on the data. So of course guys, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We post one video about trading cryptocurrency and stocks every single day. Guys, I'm going to go straight away into the video and show you what I think is going to be happening with our season, with Ethereum, how high we could actually top end this prediction is going to blow your mind because it's probably going to be higher than what you think. I'm going to go straight away, guys, and show you when I think our season is going to start so then we can go from there and understand how high Ethereum is going to go. First of all, I'm going to go and open, guys, our Bitcoin dominance chart. Remember all the time that the Bitcoin dominance chart is very important because whenever we are going to have a break of this Bitcoin dominance over here, we could be seeing our season to start and, of course, Ethereum to go to the upside. And right now, guys, as you can see, if you compare 2018, 2020 to right now, in 2020, we had a proper all season when BTC was breaking this level over here at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So we had a top over here with the dominance of Bitcoin. And by the way, guys, Bitcoin dominance, it means the amount, the percentage of money which are right now invested into Bitcoin. So institutions right now are pumping money into Bitcoin. And whenever this one raises to the upside, it means people are taking away money from altcoins, put them into Bitcoin, and that's when it increases the dominance. But on the other hand, when the dominance goes down, it means that people are taking away money from Bitcoin and put them into altcoins. And in general, this has worked very well to understand the top of Bitcoin and the start of our season. So in 2020, guys, this has happened. We had a top around here, over here, and then we had this very bad drop to the downside, and that's when our season started, as you can see from this point over here. So now going fast forward in 2024, you can see that we still haven't topped, we still haven't had a break of this structure over here, because right now Bitcoin is into what we call this rising channel, which I believe is going to continue to go higher, especially if we want to put an all-time high with BTC. And my target, guys, is 85 to 90k. So what we want to see right now before our season starts, before Ethereum starts to pump and all of that, is going to be this Bitcoin market cap dominance to go at least up to this area over here. Then once you're going to reach this area, what I'm expecting is going to be the visibility of a proper bearish divergence on this chart over here called the RSI. Is going to see a higher high over here, and then you're going to see a higher low like this, and then we're going to see a pump this way. But more importantly, what I want to see is the breakage. There's a forceful breakdown of this channel over here. You can see I have a rising channel. We want to see a breakdown from here, and that's when our season, the proper our season, is going to start. All the money are going to be flown from Bitcoin into Ethereum, into altcoins, and then we can see the start of the crazy season that everybody is waiting for. Now, what I'm going to show you right now is going to be also the chart with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you can see what happened over here, guys. In 2017, 2018, we had to have a pretty much a peak from here. 2016, the price went down and retraced up to down to over here at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Then we broke this level, this diagonal level of resistance over here, and then the pair in between ETH and Bitcoin started to go down. What it means that lots of people started to sell Bitcoin to get into Ethereum, and then we had this parabolic move to the upside. But what is very, very important, guys, and again, I cannot stress this enough. We want to see, even from here, a break of this structure. We want to see, we had a peak over here, we had a peak over here, and now what we need to see right now is to get out from this channel over here. So once you're going to be able to break this pair, Bitcoin and Ethereum, then what we want to see, you want to see breaking this point over here, and that's what I believe that Ethereum could go way higher than what it is right now. And the question is, if Bitcoin is going to go to all-time high, as we already we're talking about before. It doesn't mean that Ethereum price is going to go down, but it's not going to perform as well as Bitcoin. So for example, Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000. I'm still expecting then ETH to go and similarly to 2017, 2020, and now 2024, to go and retest this diagonal line of resistance over here, as you can see from here. So we're going to go and potentially retest this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, and then from here I think it's going to be ready to go and push to the upside. And this last point over here, this low point, is actually around January, February 2025, which is going to give us, of course, time for this alt season to develop and also for Bitcoin to put up a higher high. So that's what I want to see right now, guys. And then after that, I could see an explosion to the upside, which we could be seeing like a potential target around here. So the pair with Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to, of course, diminish. But what it means is if Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000, then what we could be seeing could be a nice pump, up to here. So that's enough for Ethereum Bitcoin pair. What I'm going to show you right now is also total to understand how high Ethereum could go to, and also depending on so many altcoins. And again, guys, what I can see from here with the altcoin season, I'm talking about here the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here is not relevant. Unfortunately, we don't have so much information about here because we had a proper alt season only in, I would say, 2020, 2021. What I can see from here with the alt season is the previous one, that what will happen, we had an explosion from the low over here. So from the low to the high from here, and the price went up as the 3.618 Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, sorry, which was around the $1.695 trillion market cap. So then if we connect the previous high in 2017-18 to our 2021 in November, and then we project the line up to here, you can see that we can converge, we can match exactly the 3.618 Fibonacci retracement around this area over here, 3.72 and 3.618. And you can see that we could be picking with the alt season even around March or June 2025. So we could be seeing until 2025, maybe around March or June, so quarter two, we could be seeing the peak of the alt season. If it's going to go more, that's could definitely happen. But of course, again, guys, looking at the total market too, like about the altcoins, if Bitcoin is going to place a new low in September, which is quite, it could be happening 100%, then I could be seeing altcoins or market cap to go and bottom around this area to then explode to the upside after this. Guys, this movement over here doesn't have to happen. That's what I cannot stress this enough. It doesn't have to happen. Lots of people are asking me, oh, but we need to see another drop. We don't have to see another drop with that. But what I'm thinking of from this model over here is that, again, if you're going to go and converge all this line over here around quarter two 2025, so mid 2025, we could be seeing a top of the altcoins around this area over here, which also, what is very important to see is that if you also connect these two lines over here, so we had a top over here in 2018 with the RSI. We converge this point over here and we put it over here, guys. It looks like on the monthly chart, we still haven't seen any proper divergence. Because remember that whenever you see a proper end of the cycle is whenever you see a divergence of price. Like, if you have a look at this, guys, this looks like a blow off top. I'm going to just cancel for you so you understand better. This one looks like a blow off top where you can see, I'm going to take my brush, sorry. You can see that we had a higher low here and then a higher high here with a divergence on the RSI from here. But right now, guys, we haven't seen any divergence because this is not a divergence. You can see that we pumped up to here. Almost looks like a we can say like a higher low from here. Higher high, higher low. So we haven't seen a proper divergence as yet. So looking at the model from here, what I could be expecting in the worst case scenario is going to be by doing that is going to be a little tick to the upside to here, and then probably forming something like this, and then down, or I could be seeing it even as higher, which I believe is going to happen to here, which is going to be even higher than that. And you can see from here, guys, that if we're going to go and connect these points over here to these points over here to go into our 3.618 Fibonacci extension like we were talking about before, then this $1.695 trillion market cap for altcoins could be coming roughly a $3 trillion market cap. So what it means that from our current point at 880 billion, what we could be seeing could be this one to quadruple in value, to go up 4 times. Some people are very skeptical. They told me, no, it's going to go way higher than this. We're going to go at 5 trillion, 6 trillions, whatever. I don't know, guys. It could definitely be happening. But for me, looking at the chart over here, I would say that, in my opinion, based on the data, you can see that the $3 trillion, even as high as 3.5, that could be definitely reasonable, which means that many altcoins, they could do a 4x from here. Some of them, they can do a 10x. I'm not expecting, of course, an explosion in prices like in 2021, but of course, anything is possible. And now, guys, end of last chart, I'm going to show you finally what you're waiting for, the Ethereum USDT price prediction. And with this one, I'm going to utilize my logarithmic scale as well. You can see that, guys, what happened over here with Ethereum. We had a peak which started in roughly 2018. I still believe, guys, that we are still in a cycle started from 2018 in January, and 2021 wasn't really the end of a cycle, but rather more of a correction. So what I would like to see right now with Ethereum from a logarithmic point of view will be, again, very similar to what we discussed before with a total to market cap. It will be to have a look at the divergence as well on the RSI that is going to tell us that we are going to see a proper peak to the upside, which you can see right now we still haven't seen. And looking again at connecting the dots from this point over here to this point over here to this point over here, that's where we should be seeing the final pump for Ethereum to the upside. And again, how high is going to be that number? So looking at the previous chart over here, we had a 3.618 Fibonacci, which was a $4,812. And then right now from here, you can see that if history is going to repeat again, so I'm going to go and connect my point over here. So the lowest point in 2022 bear market compared to the highest point over here, and I draw another Fibonacci at the 3.618, is giving me roughly a target over here at $15,000. So is Ethereum going to go to $15,000? Well, that's what I can see in the charts right now. Could be lower than that. It could be in between $10,000 to $15,000. But looking at the chart from here, 15,000 is not out of the question. And why? Because we already talked about this, guys. $880 billion market cap, talking about going up in between 3 to 3.5, which is roughly a 4 to 5x from here. So if we're going to go with Ethereum, which is sitting right now at $2,500, if we're going to see a 4 to 5x from here, then it's going to be in between $10,000 to $15,000. So that's, I know it sounds crazy. It's probably going to go, if looking at the data, in between $10,000 to $15,000 before having a significant pullback. And again, short term, I could be expecting maybe one more drop down to this area in between 2,000, 1,800, but then we should be able to go to the upside. Am I going to sell in between 10 to 15,000? Guys, absolutely no. Because looking at the risk to reward, in my opinion, looking at this data and chart, even pushing up to a new all-time high, which is going to be $7,300, in my opinion, is going to be a very good level to, of course, sell the majority of my stakes, majority of my holdings. Because although data is showing us we can go as high, if you already have lots of money invested into this kind of assets, it will be probably wiser to take a big chunk of money out and then, of course, I guess, run all the way up to 15,000 if this happen. And of course, this is not to me mean to be financial advice. But guys, thank you so much. Really, to I guess if you watch until the end of the video, thank you so much to watch all of that, and also let me know in the comment below what do you think about all this situation. Do you think we're going to be able to go in between 10 to 50,000 with Ethereum? Let me know about what you think about our season and the total market cap as well of altcoins. And I'm going to see you in another video to discuss Bitcoin analysis. Take care and you have a great day.